Materiality principle, it refers to relative importance of an item or an event. According to it, an item should be regarded as material if it influences the decision of user. Immaterial items may be merged or ignored, but material items are recorded in the books of accounts. Next principle is prudence or conservatism principle. It means do not anticipate profits but provide for all possible losses. Means losses should be recognized in the books of accounts immediately but wait for gain till it is materialized. For example, closing stock is valued at cost or market price, whichever is less, or making provision for doubtful debts, provisions for depreciations are the examples of prudence. Next is cost concept. It is also known as historical cost concept. According to it, an asset is recorded in the books of account at the price paid to acquire it. Market value of an asset may change with the passage of time, but for accounting purpose, it is shown in the books of account at book value. Book value means cost minus depreciation. For example, an asset is purchased for rupee 5 lakh. Even its book value is 7 lakh, but in the books, it will continue to show as rupee 5 lakh on its cost. Next principle is matching concept. An important objective of business to determine profit or loss periodically. It is necessary to match the revenue of the accounting period with the expense of that particular period to determine the profit or loss for that accounting period. As per this concept, adjustments are made for all outstanding expenses and prepaid expenses. For example, for calculating profit earned in the year 2020-21, revenues of 2020-21 matched with the expense of 2020-21. Next is dual aspect concept. According to it, every transaction of business enterprise has two aspects, a debit and credit of equal amounts. Accounting equation is also based on it. For example, Mohan start a business with rupee 1 lakh. On one hand, business arise the liability of capital, and on the other hand, business cash is increases. Next accounting principle is revenue recognition concept. It is also known as realization concept. According to it, revenue considered to have been realized when a transaction has been entered into and the obligation to receive the amount is established. For example, a business received order of goods sold to Mohan on 15th Feb 2019 for rupee 50,000. Firm dispatched the goods on 20th March 2019 and received the amount from Mohan on 20th April 2019. The revenue shall be recognized to be considered on 20th March 2019 when the sales has been made, goods are delivered and the obligation to receive the amount is established. And last principle is verifiable objective concept. According to this, accounting books should be free from personal bias. As per this concept, all accounting transactions should be evidenced and supported by source documents, for example, cash memo, invoice, paying slip, etc. Thank you, students.